Hey, hi! So, we are back with yet another easy recipe with few things. You can simply experiment on this recipe as well. So, first, I'm adding a cardamom, and you can actually avoid this if you don't like the taste. Then, I've taken one mango and chopped it into pieces. We'll just give it a nice grind. So, I have added some dry fruits into it. You can avoid that too. After giving that a nice grind, I'll add on 1 cup of milk, that's 250 ml cup. Then we'll grind it all over again till you get the desired texture the way you like. So moving on to one of the most important part, that is plating. So I have actually planned to do it in a layered way. So I have added some dry fruits and then poured in some shake smoothie. Now I'm adding in a spoon of bournvita. You can actually switch it with anything like chocolates, chocos, or anything you like, or you can even skip this thing. Then I'm adding in some roasted poha. I've actually used matta aval or poha. Now adding in some more dry fruits. Now we are ready to pour in the mango shake into it. You can actually add in ice cubes or use cold milk, but I have used the milk at room temperature because it's already time of COVID and we don't really want to make our throat sore. So it's up to you again. Let's now garnish it, and I've poured in some honey because I haven't used sugar. Instead I've used bournvita and honey, of course, and mango in itself has a little sweetness in it. It's ready to drink. Enjoy.